Hey, Puerto Rocksteady is truly a party with a purpose. Our purpose is happening right now. We have a beach cleanup. We have Puerto, which is a local hydroponic or clean organic farm that we saved during a hurricane, and also recently we're able to give a grant to so that they can complete their infrastructure.
Super glad that these kids came out because they're really what's going to keep this going after we leave.
Also a very important area, but it's practically abandoned, and it's part of the municipality, but unfortunately nobody's taking care of it. So thank you to Puerto Rocksteady, and we came together and decided to take care of this area. But it's a very important area. We have also a lot of biodiversity, and we have the beach. We have right now actually we have turtle nests in the area that are being protected. So it takes everything in just one area. So that's what we decided.
Good work.
Thank you guys.
And I'm gonna tell you, this is why it's important. Me growing up as a little kid, I had no idea of what it was to be Puerto Rican. Nobody taught me about it. Nobody said that we were great, or no one told me to strive to be great. So for me, we're missing so much of real things to be proud about, like good deeds like this, like people who have done things to make our lives better economically, socially, environmentally. So us doing this and teaching other people how to do it as well is what makes us better down, maybe not for my generation, but for your generation, the way it spreads. You guys, you're the leaders. It's your world, it's your voice. You have to learn how to use that voice and understand your power and share that power and show people how to also understand their own power.